Okay, so this app review is for the iPhone screen recorder. You can only get it for iPhone as far as I know, and it comes with an update. And my screen recorder is in here, and it is currently recording. Nice. But it's in my control center, and to get it into your control center, you would go into your settings, go to your control center, go to customize controls, and it will be in here. Since the controls are alphabetical, it's down here, screen recording, you press plus, and then you can choose where you want it in here. I chose for it to be my last because I just like it like that. And it allows you to record your screen. Nothing else, no voice, but you can do that with voice memos. And yeah, it's very useful for if you're like me and you have an app on your phone that you need to record. That's a good one to choose. Oh, and it puts its recordings into your photos. So you would just click on your photos, and it'll be the first one after you took your recording. And then to stop it, you just click up here, and then it'll say stop recording. You click on the red part, and then it'll say stop recording, and you press stop. And that is how you do it. That's the end of this video. Thank you.